Hi babe, today I'm showing you a super quick and easy eyeshadow look that's perfect for beginners. Keep on watching. I'm going to start with setting my eyelid with a setting powder. So when you're highlighting your under eyes with a concealer, you will need to extend the concealer to your eyelid. Make sure you get a concealer that dries down matte. That's what will really work for this type of quick and easy eyeshadow look. So once I set it with a setting powder, I'm going to go into a bronzer powder and with a pencil brush, and I will use that to define my crease. So this bronzer has a warm undertone, like a bit of reddish undertone to it, and that will just blend with my warm skin tone. So I'm also extending that bronzer to the side of my nose. So as I'm, creating a definition for my eyelid, I'm also using that to create a definition for my nose. And I went back with that puff and I pick up that same setting powder to define my lid a lot more. Then I picked up another smaller brush and dipped that into a dark chocolate brown eyeshadow to further define my crease more. So I'm pointing it and I'm placing it in directly in my crease area to define it really, really well. And also I am blending it in the inner part close to my nose area. I'm also doing the same thing on the other side. You can see how this eye looks really pretty and beautiful, and it is so quick and easy for beginners, and there's no stress at all. So this is I'm going to pick up another brush and I will go directly into the crease area and further define it a little bit more. I just want the depth in my crease and I want the lid to pop. So for the lower part of my eyes, I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow I applied in my crease. This time I'm not going to be adding the one on my lid. Remember, the one we have on our lid is from the setting powder. So the one in my lower lash line is going to be what I applied in my crease area, and I'm going ahead to add mascara. The mascara will tidy up your eyes. It is super, super amazing. And also for your waterline, you just want to go ahead and use a black pencil, or maybe use brown, black and brown, whichever one you want. So for a bonus tutorial, I'm going to show you how I pop the highest point of my face. I'm using a DIY gloss. I made that myself and that just helped to pop my skin, and I'm also feeling myself. So I'm going to add on the highest point of my nose. It looks really beautiful. I'm going to basically add it every part of my face where light hit naturally. And that's all I did with the eyes. So this eyeshadow look is quick for beginners. This is a quick eyeshadow for beginners, or if you want a 5 minutes everyday makeup look that will not stress you. And here you have it, guys. I hope you learn from this quick eyeshadow tutorial for beginners. Let me know what you all think down in the comment section. If you like quick tutorial like this one, please don't forget to leave it down in the comment section, and I will definitely see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and bye.